Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to apply copper peptide serum. Start by cleansing and patting skin slightly damp, then dispense 1-2 pumps. Gently press serum into face and neck, avoiding eyes and open wounds. Wait a minute before layering moisturizer or sunscreen. Use at night or morning based on your routine and patch test first. Adjust frequency to skin tolerance and consult a professional if irritation persists. Begin with a gentle cleanse to remove oils and makeup, then leave skin slightly damp to improve absorption. Dispense 1-2 pumps and warm between fingertips before patting onto face, neck, and décolletage. Allow the serum to settle for about 60 seconds before layering moisturizer. If using in the morning, always follow with broad-spectrum SPF. Adjust usage to your skin's needs and perform a patch test before regular use. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful content. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is brilliant for keeping your space clean while you focus on skincare. Voice control and smart mapping make it effortless. I love it for picking up dust and stray product particles after routines. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Always patch test first and introduce the serum slowly to monitor tolerance and avoid irritation. Do not mix directly with strong acids or retinoids. Instead, space applications by time of day or use on alternate nights. Keep the product capped and stored cool to maintain stability. If you experience persistent redness or burning, stop use and consult a dermatologist for personalized advice tailored to your skin.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.